Welcome to my tutorial. Mahirap ba mag-memorize ng multiplication of 9? Kung ikaw ay isa sa mga nahihirapan, then this is the tutorial for you. This is your table for multiplication of 9. Madali ba memorize yan o mahirap? Kung ikaw ay nahihirapan memorize yan, panoorin yung technique na ituturo ko para di makalimutan ang mga sagot sa multiplication of 9. How to get the product if you haven't memorized your table of 9. Okay, we have here 0 times 9. For 0 times 9, you apply the zero property of multiplication, which we sometimes call the ZPM. ZPM states that any number multiplied by 0 is always equal to 0. Kaya kung meron kang number na minomultiply mo sa 0, ang sagot ay laging 0. So, yung 0 times 9 natin ay magiging 0. Our next number is 1 times 9. In answering numbers multiplied by 1, we should remember the identity property of multiplication, or IPM. IPM means any number multiplied by 1 is always equal to the number itself. So, here, the number multiplied to 1 is 9. So, as the property defines, then the answer here is 9. Okay, we are done with 0 times 9 and 1 times 9. So now, let's go to 2 times 9. For 2 times 9, we need to follow some steps. Our step 1 is find out what is the first digit of your product. Okay, paano natin hanapin yung first digit ng ating product? Deduct 1 from the number you are multiplying to 9. Okay, babawasan daw natin ng 1 yung number na minomultiply natin sa 9. So, yung number na minomultiply natin sa 9 is 2. Okay, so 2 minus 1 equals 1. Okay, so that is our first digit. Next, let's find out what is the second digit. Deduct your first digit from number 9. Okay, so we got already our first digit. So our first digit was number 1. Okay, so let's deduct that from 9. 9 minus 1. Okay, this is the number 1. Dito natin kinuha yung number 1. 1 is our first digit. So 9 minus 1, we have 8. Okay, this one now is our second digit. So let's put this one first digit. Okay, and this one is our second digit. Okay, so we have two numbers na. Step 3, combine the digits. So, i-combine natin yung digits. Okay, so we have our first digit is 1 and the second digit is 8. So, our 2 times 9 is 18. Okay, let's solve 3 times 9. First step, find out the first digit of your product. And how are we going to find out? deduct 1 from number you are multiplying to 9. So, ano yung number na multiply natin sa 9? 3. So, deduct 1 daw tayo dyan. So, ang 3, ang number na multiply natin sa 9, minusan daw natin ang 1. So, we have 3 minus 1. Then, we have number 2. Number 2 is our first digit. Okay? Next, let's do step 2. Find out the second digit. Deduct your first digit from number 9. Ano ulit ang first digit natin? It's 2. Deduct daw natin yan sa number 9. So, 9 minus 2 equals 7. So, step 3, combine the digits. So, our first digit is 2. Then, our second digit is 7. So, the answer of 3 times 9 is 27. Okay, so paano naman ang 4 times 9? Madali lang yan. Let's do step 1. Find out the first digit. So, deduct ulit natin ang 1 from the number we are multiplying to 9. So, ano yung minumultiply mo sa 9 na number? 4. So, let's put 4 here. Okay, if you notice, we always deduct 1. So, para makuha ang first digit, parating babawasan ng 1, yung number na minumultiply sa 9. So, 4 minus 1, we have 3. So, this 3 is our first digit. Okay, that's our first digit. Okay, now let's go to step 2. So, our step 2 is to look for our second digit. Okay, how to find out your second digit is deduct your first digit from number 9. So, 9 ulit. Bakit laging 9? Kasi 9 naman yung minumultiply natin. So, 9 minus the first digit, which is number 3. So, dito galing yan. Okay, so 9 minus 3, you have 6. Okay, so your 4 times 9 is 36. So this is your first digit and this is your second digit. So you have 36, which is 4 times 9. Okay, our next is 5 times 9. Let's do step 1. Okay, deduct 1 from the number you are multiplying to 9. So, we are multiplying 5. Let's write 5. Deduct 1. So, 5 minus 1 equals 4. So, meron na tayong 4. Next step, find out the second digit. Deduct first digit from number 9. So, we have 9. Deduct natin yung first digit na nakuha natin, which is 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. So, ang combined digits natin is first digit 4, then the second digit 5. So, our 5 times 9 is 45. Now, let's solve 6 times 9. Let's do again step 1. Okay, the number that we are multiplying to our number 9 is 6. So, let's write 6. Deduct 1, so minus 1. 6 minus 1, we have 5. Then, let's do step 2. Deduct your first digit. Ito yung first digit natin, di ba? So, we have 9 minus the first digit, okay, which is number 5. Okay, 9 minus 5, we have 4. Okay, now, combine natin yung digits. So, our first digit is 5. Then, our second is 4. So, our 6 times 9 is 54. Let's find the product for 7 times 9. The number we are multiplying to our 9 is 7. So let's deduct 1 to our 7. 7 minus 1 equals 6. 6 is our first number. Then, deduct natin tong first number sa 9. So 9 minus 6 equals 3. Then, pagsamahin natin to, we have 6 and we have 3. So our 7 times 9 is 63. Now, let's go to 8 times 9. The number we are multiplying to 9 is 8. So 8, bawasan natin ng 1. Okay, so 8 minus 1 is 7. Then, let's get our second number. 9 minus the first number, 7, we have 2. So this is the second number. So combine, we have 7 and we have 2. Then our 8 times 9 is 72. Let's find the product for our 9 times 9. The number we are multiplying to 9 is also 9. So let's get this one. 9 minus 1 is 8. So this one is our first number. Let's get our second number. 9 minus 8. So that is 1. Combined, 8, our first digit, and the second is 1. So our 9 times 9 is 81. Next, let's have 10 times 9. The number we are multiplying to 9 is 10 minus 1 equals 9. Then, 9 minus our first digit, which is 9. So that is 0. So together, we have 9 and we have 0. So our 10 times 9 is 90. Thank you for watching this tutorial. You may also check the full English version of this on my channel. Please share and subscribe to see more tutorial uploads. You may also message me on my Facebook page for tutorial topics that you would like me to upload, and if you are interested for my one-on-one tutorial services. Thank you once again and have a great time. See you on my next video uploads.